Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today in this video we will discuss about 5 class general knowledge questions and answers. These are very interesting and important answer for our children. So let's start our basic questions about 5 class kids. Question number 1. Which planet is the smallest planet? Your answer is Mercury planet is the smallest planet. Question number 2. When is World Heritage Day celebrated? 18 April. Question number 3. World's longest migration done by any animal or bird in the world is? Your answer is Orchid tern bird. Question number 4. The greatest number of 4 digits which is divisible by 15, 25, 14 and 75 are? Your answer is 9600. Question number 5. Which is a new generation of storage devices used in computer? Your answer is SSD. Solid state drive is a new generation of the storage devices. Question number 6. How many zeros are in 1 billion? Your answer is 9 zeros. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a metal, gold, resin or glass? Your answer is resin, because resin is not a metal. Question number 8. What category of animal is an octopus? Your answer is cephalopod, because cephalopod is an octopus category animal. Question number 9. River Nile flows through how many countries? Your answer is 10 countries. Question number 10. Speed of light in vacuum is 3 lakhs kilometer per 1 second. Question number 11. Which is the most common element found in the universe? Your answer is hydrogen is the most common element that found in our universe. Question number 12. Who is the famous scientist which discovered gravity? Your answer is Sir Isaac Newton. Question number 13. European Union headquarters is located in? Your answer is Brussels, Belgium. Question number 14. First Asian Games was held in? Your answer is New Delhi. Question number 15. What makes up approx 80% of our brain's volume? Your answer is glial cells. Question number 16. Generic is most similar in meaning to? Your answer is basic, because basic means it is not a specific things like branded or trademarked. Question number 17. The famous rock garden is located in which city? Your answer is Chandigarh. Question number 18. Which country has no cinema theatres? Your answer is Saudi Arabia. Question number 19. The first newspaper in the world was started by? China. Question number 20. Which bird lay more than 100 eggs in one nest? Your answer is ostrich. I hope viewers, these questions will helpful for your kids IQ level. Please subscribe my channel. Also like and share my video with your friends. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.